In this video, let's talk about the component in Bootstrap. In previous video, we have talked about the form in Bootstrap. In this video, we'll discuss about the brief introduction about the different component in Bootstrap. Let's get started from here. And you can see here, first one is the accordion, right? And if you want these types of accordion, then you can simply copy paste this code from here. You can see here, if I click on this first item, then it's some text here. And if I again click here, then it hides this text from here. And if I click on this second accordion, then it shows me the text here. If I again click here, then this hide here. And if you need this types of accordion, then you can simply click on this button and go to the VS Code and just go into just create one file here. I'm going to create the one file like the component umq and it component.html. And then I will copy some code from the form tab, right, inside the component. And I'll remove this script tag from here, not a script tag, the other remaining tag from here. And I just want to paste this code here. Okay, I'm copying this code from here. And okay, I want to paste this code here. And if I go to the browser, first of all, I want to create in the go live options from here. This code is running and you can see this is the accordion. And if I click again here, then this text is hide here. And if I click on the item 2, then this second item is shown here. And if I want to add the another accordion, then I can simply copy this code from here. And this is accordion, okay? And I want to copy this code. And also I want to paste it down here. And after pasting down, I want to change this accordion item 4, okay? And if I go to here, and if I click on the accordion item 4, but it shows the accordion item 3 also. So I have to change here the ID name. So just see here, this is the collapse 3. The is also ID name. And you can see here, this is also the collapse 3, okay? So I have to change this ID name into the collapse 3 into the, I want to write here the collapse 4. And also I want to change here the collapse 3 into the collapse 4, okay? I have changed this ID name. And if I again go to here and if I click on the accordion 4, then it shows only the accordion 4 text here. So, okay. In this way, you can copy the accordion from here. And if you want to copy the different types of accordion from here, then you can see, just scroll down from here, and you can see the different types of accordion and you can practice by yourself. And if you need the alerts, sometimes we need to show some message into our screen, right? So in that case, we have to copy this code from here. So if I want to copy this alert message from here, then I can just copy this code from here. And I want to paste this code just down this deep, okay? And if I go to the browser and if I click this show live alert, then it won't show anything here, because we have to copy the JavaScript code also here. So okay, I have to click on this copy option, and inside the script tag, okay, inside the script tag, SURAPT script tag, I have to paste the JavaScript code. And if I go to the Bootstrap and if I click on the go live options, sorry, this is show live alert, then it shows me the nice to trigger this alert message, okay? In this way, you can use the alert. And also you can practice remaining alert. Also you can add some icon before the alert message. So it is very simple when you copy this code from here, and you can practice it by yourself. And if you talk about the badge here, then you can copy and paste the example heading, and then you can add the badge here like this, okay? And also you can show the message like 4, 5, 6 and many more things. And also you can add the inbox 99+ and many more things. Like if I want to make such types of inbox meshes, then you can simply copy the code and just paste this code just here. And you can change, if you can go to the browser and you can see here, nothing is showing here. Okay, nothing is showing here. Why it doesn't show anything here? First of all, again go to here and just copy the code from here, okay, button type. And then you have to, okay, you do not have to put your code inside the script tag. You have to put your code outside the script tag. And again go into the browser. Then you can see inbox 99+. If you want to change this message, you can write here the 88+ or whatever with the number. You can add here, right? So in this way, you can add the Bootstrap like this. Like if you want to add the best, then you can add the best in this way. If you want to add the breadcrumbs, if you want to know about where you are reaching out, okay, this is the home and then the library and then the data. So if you want this, then you can copy the code from here, and you can paste into the in your VS Code and practice it by yourself. Okay. And if you want the button, there are many buttons, and normally you can see here with color. This is primary, secondary, success, danger. If I want the primary button, then I can simply copy this code from here, and then I have to go okay, after the button, I want to paste it here. And if I again go to the here, now I got this primary button. Okay. So in this way, you can add the button from here. And also you can change the different, you can add the different types of buttons over here, like the outline button, and also you can increase or decrease the button. If you use the button large, it means button and LG, then you will get the large button. And if you use the button SM, then you will get the small button here. So in this, you can use the different types of button also. Okay. And if you talk about the button groups, you can group your button into one. Like I'm collecting here, you can see here, left, middle, and the right. So if you need the button like this, then you can simply copy this code. Okay. Then also you can give the color to the button, and also you can collect the groups in the checkbox. So you can collect the checkbox in a group in a very horizontal way and a vertical way. Also you can collect the radio button. Okay, and the many more things. And if we talk about the card, then there are many predefined card over here, and you can use simply the whatever with the card you want. Okay. If I need such types of card, then I can simply copy the code from here, and I want to go inside the VS Code, and I want to paste this code here. And if I go to the browser, and if I see here, I got this card. And if I want to add the image here, then it shows the image also. So first of all, you can see here, image SRC, and then you can add the image here. If you have the image, they just type okay, I don't have any, I think I don't have any image, so I cannot show anything here. But if you have image, then you can just add the image, then you will get the image here. Okay. I don't have any image, so I can show you here right now. You can download the image and you can use it by yourself. Okay. So it's a very simple things. And also you can use the different types of card over here, and you can list the group item also. And also many more things are over here. So you can simply copy and paste the code, and you can size your button and many more things. If you need the carousel, it is one of the important component in Bootstrap, which really makes our website really interesting. So you can simply copy the code and you can use the code. Okay. So you can, if I want this carousel here, you can simply click on this button, and it will scroll at the left and the right. And if I need this carousel, then I can copy this code. First of all, I want to remove this return code from here because it's being up lengthy, so it really makes us disgusting. So first of all, if I go to here, and if I go to here, now it doesn't show anything here. First of all, I have to add some images here. Now I have added one demo image here, and I want to show the carousel details here. Okay. First of all, you can see here, this is my demo.jpg image. I have added the simple one image here, right, for all this slide. I'm adding only the demo.jpg, and also I want to add here the demo.jpg image. And if I go to the browser, you can see here, okay, this is my browser, and I got this 3 image here. If I again click this button, then I got the another image here, and if I click here, then I got the another image from here. Also, if I want to change this the carousel from here, then I can simply use the whatever carousel I want to use. If I want to use this carousel, then I can copy this code from here, and I want to go to here, and I just want to remove this code from here, and I just want to paste it here. And also I want to add my image, that's a demo.jpg, and also I want to add this image here also, and also in here also. Okay. So I'm adding the carousel. This is the demo image, and if I go to here, and I got this image here, and if I click into this button, then I got the another image, but it shows the same image because I have added this same image for all 3 slides. Okay, you can add whatever the image you want, and whatever with the number of images you want, you can add here, and this shows the slide. Okay, this shows the slideshow while you click on this button. And this is simple about the carousel, and we'll talk about the detail while we create the website. So you can use whatever carousel you want. You can choose it from here. And if I click on the close button from here, then you can got this button from here if you copy this code. and sometimes we need the cancel button, so you can simply use this Bootstrap code to get this button. Okay, and also sometimes you need the disable state. It means you can see the close button but you cannot click on here, and also you can the dark variant and many more things. Okay, and after you can see collapse options from here, and if we click this button, then only it shows some message here, and if you again click this button, then it's hide the message. So if you need such types of button, then you can simply copy and paste this code from here. Okay, and after that you can use the drop downs options from also from here, and this is the drop downs, and you can copy the different types of drop downs. Like this is the one types of drop down, and you can copy the code from here and you can use it by yourself. Also you can see here, this is the drop down link, and this is the different types of color you can use here to create the website. And also you can use here different types of button, split button, and also you can increase or decrease the button. You can use the button group, this is the class, and you can use the small button and also the large button according to your requirement, right? After that, let's see the list scope. You can list the item according to your requirement. So this is the active item, and also you can also use the active item. It means this item is active here, and also you can make this list of items by copying this code from here. And also you can make the disabled item. It means you cannot click here. Okay, you can just over here, but this is not highlighted here. And also you can make the linked item, and also the many more items from here, so you can use it by yourself. Also you can give the ordering. It means you can provide the number, and also you can use some the badge here. So this is you can make the badge also from here. Okay, now let's talk about the model. It means if you click on the some button, then it shows the some pop-up message, and also you can create another form also from there also. Okay, if you need this model from here, then you can simply copy this code from here and just go to the VS Code and just paste this code here. And if I go to the browser and if I refresh it and if I scroll down, first of all I just want to remove first of all I want to remove this code from here because it's really a lengthy part from here, and I just want to remove this code from here. If I go to the browser, and you can see here, this is one of the model. But if I want this model, when I click on the button, then just scroll down here and just copy this code from here and just go to here and just paste this code. And if I go to again the browser and if I click on this button, then I get this model title and then model. Okay. And if I want to give some message here, then I can write the message here, and you can see. And again, I click on the button, then I got the message also, right? This is all about the model in Bootstrap. Okay, you can use the different types of model according to your requirement. Okay, if I click on the launch demo, then this is the other type of model. You can click on the close button or the save changes button to save the your item into the database. Okay. And another important things, that is the navbar, and we use this navbar frequently when we start to create the website. So this is the navbar, and you can see here, if you want this navbar, just click on this copy option and just go to the again VS Code and just paste this code here, and you can see here, this is simple the website navbar. When if you use this navbar, then this is a really responsive, and it's very it's very really interesting. When I see the navbar in Bootstrap for the first time, it was like awesome, right? Because if we create this navbar using the CSS, it takes a long time to create this navbar. And if I want to remove this disable options from here, then you can simply go to here and just remove this list from here. And now you can see this is removed from here. And also if you want to remove this source button here, then you can simply remove this form from here. And you can see this source button will also vanished from here, or you can say that disappeared from here. If I want to put this code, then again I'm putting the form here. Okay. And if you want to add some more icons here, then you can go to here and just copy this list from here and just paste it down and just give the name for the our team or whatever you want. And also I want to copy here and team member or whatever message you can give. Okay. Or you can say the our product, and if I go to here, now I got these things. Okay. If you want to change the color also, you can change the color, like you can share this is the navbar class, and the BG body, background body is territory. And if I want to change the background border color and many more things, then I can change it from here. And also it uses container fluid. You can only use the container also, and also the container for the specific breakpoints also. Here you can change the many more things from here. I'm not going to discuss all the things from here. You can just practice it by yourself. I'm just showing you that how you can use the navbar in Bootstrap, right? So you can, if you need only these types of navbar, then you can simply copy and paste into your VS Code, and you can use the navbar, and you can enjoy with the navbar in Bootstrap. If you need only the search bar, then you can simply copy this and you can put it wherever you want. Okay. And you can watch it yourself. You can practice the remaining part by yourself, and you can just again scroll down the item and you can see over there. Okay. And if we click on the nabs and tabs, and if you want such types of navbar, then you can copy and paste again, and you can use it by yourself. And if I talk about the off canvas, then if I click on the any button, then it shows some message, just left side or right side or the below side. Okay. And if you want to use it, you can use it by copying pasting the Bootstrap code from here. And also another important topic, that is pagination. Sometimes we need to put our text into the another page. Then I can simply copy this button. And if I again click on the second button, then it moves it into the next page. And again, if I click on this button, then it will move into the next page. Sometimes we need to put this pagination concept to store our more informations. We cannot show all the informations in one page if I have the lots of informations over there, right? So this is about the pagination. And if we talk about the placeholder, then we can just consume this space, right? So if I want to put this space for the placeholder, then I can just placeholder this by using the copy pasting this code from here. Okay. And if we talk about the popovers, then I can just click on these popover options and it shows me some message over here, and you can copy and paste and you can use it by yourself. If sometimes we need the progress, like while we create the website, we need to show the progress options here. Or you can say if I'm creating my personal website, or you can say the personal portfolio. And if I want to show my skill in the different programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, then I can show it here by giving the different percentage, right? So 0%, 25, 50, 75, 100%, or you can use it according to your requirement. And this is all about the percentage, or you can say the progress. And scroll by options here. And scroll by options shows the exact, it move into the exact position. If I click on the second option, then it goes into the second heading. And if I click on the drop down, and if I click on the fifth, then it moves into the fifth heading here. It means it move into the particular position over here, right? And sometimes we need to show the loading options. Then you can use the spinner, like this is the loading. And if I'm uploading the file and if it takes some time, then I can show this loading options so that user can hold for some time. Okay. And also you can use the different types of spinner over here according to your requirement. And if I talk about the twist, then it shows the some pop-up message in a very the below part of my browser. If I click on this last show live twist, you can see here lower this is the twist message. You can change the message, and also it has the cancel button here. Okay. And if I click on the last our component topic, that is tooltip, and if I over the any button, or you can say the any text, then it shows some message. Like if I over here that this tooltip is themed via CSS variable, right? So this is all about the tooltip, and then the spinners, twist, scroll by, progress, and many more things are over here, and you can practice it by yourself. And when you practice it by yourself, then you will learn more about it. I have shown you the overall concepts inside the component, and also overall concepts inside the form in previous video. If you get any confusion, then you can ask me in the comment section. But after this video, we'll create the one website using the Bootstrap only, so that how we can use the power of the Bootstrap, how we can save our time to create the website. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and join with me, and we'll discuss about the more on the web development, and then the many more topics related to the programming and many more things to go. And also we'll describe about the database topics and many more things to go. So just join me and just be with the family. Okay. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.